What up, my peeps? Dan the man here. Today is just a fun, kind of little chilling video. Gonna open some vape mail. I don't do that very often, and I don't get a lot of vape mail. But I did this time. Let's open it. You don't even know how hard it was for me to not open it right away. Is that the pose I was in? I don't know. But we got this big fat baggity boo. And also, we got those in. Demsby concentrates. Let's take a vape, shall we? I'm mouth to lung in it today. I just got off work. I gotta tell you, just kudos to the reviewers that have a full-time job and do this, loading a video a week or more. Well, it's not easy. Lord have mercy. I mean, I've got a ton of other chores I gotta do already, and then I gotta do this. I don't gotta do it. I mean, I like doing it. I have fun. But sometimes it's almost like work, right? Wham, bam, spanky, man. Let's move that and let's bring this up. Alright, first, let's go with what I have already, and I was just re-upping. This is VTA, Vape Train Australia, I believe is how they say it. So yeah, we got honeycomb. Can we see it? Is there enough light? Hold on a minute. There we go. I don't really want to edit this, so alright, we got that. Oh yeah, flavor art, which happens to be my favorite line of liquid concentrates. Here's the whipped cream. I had to order this from Europe. Because they don't, for whatever reason, Vapor Art doesn't do Dyke tones in that to the States. I'm not entirely sure why. And that was just blurry for that whole thing. Oh, FA's Flavor Apprentice Bittersweet Chocolate. So far, no, I don't get every chocolate there is so I can find out. But it's the only chocolate I've got that actually tastes like chocolate. The only deal with this is that it fades pretty quickly, but it fades into a pretty nice creamy, dark creamy cream, if you will. Okay, I should have gotten this a long time ago. This is Holy Vanilla by DIY Flavor Shack. Everybody talks about how awesome this Holy Vanilla is. I should have gotten it already, but I finally just picked it up. These flavors I got from the UK, uh, Chef's Flavors. Is that what it's called? Something like that. Anywho, okay, now for the flavor art that custards that they don't sell in the States. That's why I had to get it from Europe. Alright, this is the premium custard. It's supposed to be the bomb diggity. I showed you the whipped cream, and then this one is custard pie. I really like the sound of it. You can see the vanilla leaves down there. It's got some almonds in it. And I don't know what else, but I got it steeping, and we're going to find out. Yeah, huh? Okay, now we're going to go for this bag here. I got it from Vape Dynamics. I don't know, maybe, I think they're going out of business. I'm not entirely sure. but they're selling stuff cheap, cheap, cheap. And if you like retro vaping things, they got. I mean, they've got let's see here. They've got the iTaste 1. This is the MVP iTaste. I'm not entirely sure, but as you can see, it's got the uh, Ego style. Is that what it's called? Ego style? Something like that. Anyways, let's check it out, man. Okay. Where are the scissors? Here we go. There we go, my friends. Let's check it out, man. I'm excited. I'm always excited to get vape mail. Oh yeah. The eLeaf iStick Power, 5,000 milliamp hour battery. These things don't stick around long whenever they come up. I mean, they still sell good. Oh yeah, the Taro Nano Starter Kit. Y'all, I think this was 12 bucks. Okay? Look, this one was 12 bucks or 10. And this one, I got the green one. I always wanted it, man. I always wanted it. I got it for like 10 bucks, dude. Oh my god, batteries. Which are these HG2? They just might be, my friends. I don't know. The sticker ain't coming off. Come on. Shut up, I'm busy. What's wrong with you? Oh, I'll check those out later. Another battery? Wow, I didn't know I got 3 batteries. Okay. Ooh, the Osmosis Minikin, y'all, for like $23. These things go for like 80 bucks, man. Y'all need to get over there if you want some cheap stuff. Do it before it all sells out. This sold out already. I'm already opening this, man, because you know what? It only comes in red, but I didn't care because I've been wanting one of these for a long time. Oh, it feels good in the hand even. It's a little big for my hand. No, it's not either. Maybe it is a little. Okay, I know this comes on. I can't, goddamn. A bad boy stays on there and there's no magnets. Wow. Can already see where the paint right there isn't that good. You can see it yourself on the camera. There's a little ding right there, but I'm not complaining. Yeah, this excites me, man. Whoops, I'm looking at it and y'all aren't getting to see it. Yeah, man, I can't wait to throw some batteries in that bad boy. Awesome. What the hell? You know what? I don't even want to know. Wait, this don't... there we go, Jesus. Holy cow, it's a darn book. I think I didn't buy the batteries. I think they came with this. If I'm not mistaken. It only takes 2 batteries. I should throw batteries in it right now, but boy, it's sharp. I like it. I'm excited about that one. Ooh, the Taro Nano. Let's get into that one. I love green, y'all. Green's my favorite color. And I'm just happy that I was able to get something green. What's that? Oh, I'm so silly sometimes. The hell? What the fuck? Oh, Jesus, okay. Wow, look at that. Look at that, y'all. How cool. We're already 10 minutes in. Oh, yes! Ah! Oh, yeah, it's sexy. I like it, man. I like it a lot. Look at that. Sexy, sexy. And boy, I've been wanting a small mod. Oh, I've been needing a small mod. Boy, that's sharp. It sure is, y'all. I really like it. It's got a built-in battery. But I like it. I like it a lot. It even comes with a tank. Feels kind of cheap, but I don't care. It's got the green accents on it. Yeah. Hell yeah. I like it, man. I like that. I sure do. I sure do. Yeah, I dig that color, boy. I gotta tell you. Awesome. Okay, now that's exciting. That's actually a pretty nice box, man. This has some significant weight to it. Okay, a manual and oh, charging. It's got a coil. A little bitty coil too. Okay, cool, man. I'm gonna put all this away later. Let's open this next. Totally just making a mess. But I don't care because I'm excited about it. And then this one, this is just going to be a beater. But I got two of them with built-in batteries. Which, you know, people are always saying, I hear it said, built-in batteries, people don't like them. I had to get the wood one. It's not real wood, it's just a veneer. But anyways, I forgot what I was saying. That's okay. Ooh, yeah, feel that. It feels nice. People say they don't like built-in battery mods because when the battery goes, well, now what can you do about it? But seriously, if you think about it, not many mods last that long anyway. They don't make them to last, and I'll tell you that. It's actually a nice little mod. 5,000 milliamp hour battery. It looks pretty sharp, actually. I'm a little impressed. Cool. Same old, same old. This is awesome. Cool, man. That was it, my friends. The Osmotis Minikin. They still got some red ones. Get on over there, y'all. E-Leaf power, 5,000 milliamp hour battery, and my favorite colored Taro Mini. Nice. I should. We should send us away with Dominican vape. Let's vape Dominican. Send us. Send y'all off with a nice vape from it. Some brand new VTC 5As. Okay, so Okay, that's where it's marked. You can see it there. It's not clearly marked, or at least it is. It just took me a minute to find it. Negative, positive. All right, let's fire it up, my friends. That's so nice. 5 clicks on, 40 watts. I think it goes more. Yeah, it goes at 200 watts. So, anyways, let's put on our Twisted Messes. Ooh, 24 gauge. I mean, that's close. It's just it just seems a little big. That sucks. I'll have to find a different mod to go on this, but for now, I'm just sending y'all off. Crank it up to like 100 and something. We're at 0.14 watts, 112 volts, or 0.14 ohms, and 4.3 volts. All right. All right, at least the volts are going up. 4.6 volts sounds better. 128 watts. Peace, my brothers and sisters.